Hello everyone, and welcome back to Doc's Guide to the Galaxy. I'm the Doctor, and today I travel to Lahaina Harbor for the Pacific Whale Foundation's Island Rhythms Sunset Cruise. First, I'll show you how to get there. This Pacific Whale Foundation cruise departs from Slip 4 at Lahaina Harbor, marked by the X in this photo. The 2-hour cruise includes unlimited non-alcoholic beverages, lots of appetizers, and entertaining music by the talented Eric Gilliam. The cruise used to include 3 alcoholic beverages but no longer does as of this time.
Dancing on the dance floor is like Zumba on steroids. Good for the core, good for the core.
The cruise guarantees whale sightings and reports a success rate of 97%. If you happen to be on one of the 3% of cruises not to see a whale, you get to go again for free within the next year. The best time to see whales is during the month of February. If you're looking for a more up-close whale watching experience, I recommend Maui Adventure Cruises. They also happen to be the cheapest. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care.